today we are at Pragati Maidan to cover Gartex Denim Show and Screen Print India, jointly organized by Messe Frankfurt and Mex Exhibition. The show has started on 3rd of December and will end on 5th of December. Let's go inside and find out what's new in this edition.
Gartex Texprocess India is a comprehensive trade show on the garment and textile manufacturing value chain. The event includes garment and textile machinery, trims, accessories, denim, laundry show, digitex, embroidery machinery, and showcasing of various equipments. The show is targeted to address the interests of buyers who wish to find solutions in this industry segment. Acting as a definitive gateway to provide excellent quality and one-stop selling and sourcing platform, the event showcases products, services, and technologies related to the complete production chain. This is one platform that caters to the entire textile value chain. Do subscribe to our channel if you want to watch latest videos and coverage from the world of exhibitions, trade shows and events across various industries happening in any part of the world. We cover events and trade shows for you and bring their coverage so that you can decide whether you want to visit them in person or not.
I'm Raj Manik, Managing Director of Messe Frankfurt, India. Welcome to Gartex Texprocess 2021. After a period of 2 years of being away, very happy to be back on the shop floor with Gartex Texprocess, bringing the industry back together with 140 exhibitors representing over 300 brands with over 800 product displays happening, along with our hybrid event where we have our conferences over the 3 days discussing various technology changes and knowledge transfers. Very happy to be here, very happy to see the interactions again on a physical event, and looking forward to 3 really good days of business for the textile industry.
Hi, my name is Gaurav Janeja. I'm the Director of Mex Exhibitions and the organizer of Gartex Texprocess India. We are the co-organizer along with Messe Frankfurt for this show, and it's really great to see everyone on the show floor. This is our second show since pandemic has opened after another previous show, Gift Expo, and we are very happy to see the exhibitors and the visitors back on the show floor. Today is the first day and we are seeing an overwhelming response from the visitors who've come across from different parts of the country. So that's a very encouraging step for the whole industry, and especially our garment and textile industry. So thanks a lot, and let's get back to business.